All right, ladies and girls, how y'all doing? We are working on the Nel Lusso a little bit. We put some new rims and stuff on them. They look good. He picked them up at a deal, and I feel that these rims are safer than the ones they had on there. I don't particularly care for those. The ones that the Dragonflies got on, I actually saw them flex. I didn't see these flex, but I think that's a different rim from those. So instead of this one having two partitions per spoke, like right here, I think the one he got is single. And they actually, I saw them flex in a curve. Uh, these are the same ones I've got on my red and chrome bike. I got 2,000 miles on them. I've never had an issue with them whatsoever. So I feel these are a better rim. Another thing we got to do, I cranked it up, this little motor, I'm going to show y'all. This thing's got 1,000 miles, 1,200 miles on it, pretty easy. There is no dirt, there's not a drop of oil nowhere, but this pipe support, it ain't doing much right here. So we're going to have to re-weld that and then repaint the pipe. But like I said, the brake system and everything works on it. No chain tensioner, 415 chain. This is a clean little motor. Even the spark plug's got a little rust on it. This is one of the first pipes that you could buy because of the small. It only does about 35, but it does it all day long effortlessly. And it's like a little tractor. That's a Motos motor. I guess it's a true 49.5 cc. I'm not sure. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this off. We're going to weld it up. And get it back on. Now, another thing that you're going to see, that there is a ton of oil. See, there's some right here. And it comes out, it must be coming out of a weld there. Okay. I know it ain't coming out up here. No. Clean little motor. Good running little motor, too. So, let's get that off. All right, we got it done. Yeah, an old style. Uh, Wrong button. There we go. That's a little bit more sturdy right there. And picked this up off of Amazon. I'm gonna put one on my bike. Then you got your turn signals. That one there. And it's even got a stop. And it stops and flashes. So I thought that was pretty neat. Wasn't expensive. You could got different modes for the flash. So only one thing left. Let's go take it for a ride. This bike isn't very loud. And that's flat out right there. That's as fast as it's gonna get. But that's plenty fast enough. Just a nice idling, nice running. Steady enough power to do what it's got to do. And I'm heading straight into the wind right now. And it's windy. What's up, fellas? Brakes work good. It's hard to press this button though. It's still on there, isn't it? Yep. I probably didn't turn it on. But there it is. And there you have it, the Nel Lusso. Nice, clean, good running little bike. Thank you all for watching. Thank you so much, you subscribers, for subscribing. And thank you very much to the people that I know that's going to leave me a comment. And I want all y'all to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And y'all have a wonderful day.